Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Media Rewards. Media Rewards programs are a fantastic way to earn a little extra by doing things you might already enjoy online. These platforms give you points for engaging with various digital content, like watching short video clips, playing fun mobile games, or even sharing your opinions through quick surveys. It's a simple method to turn your online activity into tangible benefits, making your screen time more productive. Getting started with Media Rewards is incredibly straightforward. First, select a well-regarded platform that aligns with your preferred activities, whether it's gaming or surveys. Next, create a free account, which usually takes less than 5 minutes, using your email or a social media login. Finally, complete your user profile. This step is crucial as it helps the platform match you with relevant tasks, maximizing your earning potential right from the start. To truly maximize your Media Rewards, consistency is key. Try to engage with tasks daily, even if it's just for 15 to 20 minutes, to build up your points steadily. Always keep an eye out for bonus opportunities, such as daily login streaks or special promotional offers that can significantly boost your earnings. Many platforms also offer referral programs where you can earn a bonus, sometimes 100 points or more, for each friend who signs up and starts earning. The most exciting part is redeeming your hard-earned rewards. Most platforms offer a variety of options, from popular gift cards to major retailers to direct cash payments via services like PayPal. Be mindful of the minimum payout threshold, which can vary but is often around $5 or $10. Once you initiate a redemption, you can typically expect to receive your rewards within 3 to 5 business days, making it a quick and satisfying process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.